What's going on, guys? Welcome back to CNR Reviews. I'm Coltrane.
I'm Chris.
That's my older brother.
What's up? So we have the Alpha Outpost box. All right, this is March Madness box. No, this is the March box. Alpha. It says Tomahawk on it. All right. So I'm actually the one that has the subscription to this. As I'm sure E-Rock told you, I got this actually from an ad from Grunt Style because I have Grunt Style's monthly subscription for their shirts, and they sent me like a coupon for these. So we're going to bust into this thing and see what we got.
We're not going to bust into it. We're going to cut into it.
Okay.
Okay.
Grab a blanket.
Get this thing. What? Nothing. What?
Ooh.
Ooh, a piece of paper. Oh my god.
And then it has a
here?
whole pad that says history of the Tomahawk. That's cool, man.
So it looks like we have two in here.
A double.
Why don't you start opening
a
that?
double hawk.
We got this cool patch. It's got a double tomahawk?
Tomahawk.
Double tomahawk.
It's a tomahawk.
That's a pretty cool patch. I like that. It's cool how all these boxes come with custom patches.
They were zip tied together, so I had to break them.
It's fine. Let's see what these things
These
look
things
like.
are heavy, bro. Oh,
We got a
shit.
polymer handle here.
I think it's a snap case.
Yeah, it is.
Then a Velcro. Okay.
Jeez.
Then another snap. Okay.
Whoa.
Take it out.
Woohoo!
Oh my god, it has a hammer on it.
Oh, dude, that one's different.
Oh, it is.
That's cool.
Hell yeah.
Dude, these things are sick.
That one actually has an axe head on it.
They're definitely like, if they're not full tang, they're like at least go to here, and they have those 3 bolts in there. That's definitely not coming out of the handle unless you literally snap it in half.
Dude, look at this. This is like a damn pulverizer tip.
Let me see. Oh, this one's way heavier.
Oh yeah.
Jeez. Dude, that thing is super heavy.
It's got a Thor hammer on the back of it.
These are sick, though.
Did anybody call for Mjolnir?
Dude, this is
Yeah,
cool.
that one looks... Look, that one's even... No, it's not. Okay. I thought it was thicker.
It looks a little bit different.
Oh, the tip is definitely different.
Yeah.
It looks like a pickaxe.
Yeah, that one's like a little bit sharper.
This one's just like a... I'm gonna kill your whales. No, I'm just kidding.
This is for bludgeoning.
No, that's just for meat tenderizing.
Meat tenderizing.
That's what I'm going to use when I buy some steaks. I'm just going to break out a tomahawk.
So these sheaths are pretty nice, too.
But this one you're
nylon
definitely
sheath.
not throwing.
No, that'll just go all over the place. But it's supposed to be able to... Hold on. Do they come with different sheaths? Is that one bigger? Because this one, like, the front doesn't snap with this in there. Yeah, this one's definitely bigger.
Oh, it's deeper or something?
So you can snap the front in... Well, you Velcro it first. You can snap this one.
This is dope, dude.
You can snap the front. Like that. So pretty good sheaths. Some heavy duty nylon.
Yeah, you're definitely not going to...
It's not going to fall off by accident
Get
if you
caught
snap
or-
it up right.
Wherever you grab it, like it's all closed. It's good.
These things are awesome.
I like these handles, too.
Yeah.
Super long.
I'm only paying $50 a month for this, by the way. So for $50, I got 2, like, really decent looking tomahawks.
Yeah, I spent
And a patch.
$60 on a tomahawk years ago.
Let me see that paper.
But
So it goes into the history of the tomahawk on here. On the back side, and then on the front, it says it's just a packing list for the box, so it tells you what's all in it. So the one with the hammer is called a tactical hammer. It says this tactical hammer features a sturdy hammerhead that delivers devastating pummeling potential and a wide unswept spike with a piercing point for supreme breaching and prying applications. The blade is crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel, while the fiberglass reinforced nylon handle is secured by 3 separate bolts and comes standard with a nylon snap button sheath. And then the other one is a tactical tomahawk. And it says the tomahawk is a lightweight yet heavy-duty multi-use tomahawk designed for any outdoor enthusiast. And it also works well as a camping axe and backpacking axe. And it comes with a versatile nylon carry sheath. So,
you know,
and it says note, not recommended to throw as it could cause damage and serious bodily harm to yourself and others. I'm sure. Definitely could.
Well, these ones you probably wouldn't throw anyway with a plastic handle.
Yeah, probably not.
But if it had like a wooden handle or
Definitely
something,
not like well balanced. The top is way heavier on them, so it wouldn't be.
And this patch is
probably
pretty
that good.
damn sick.
Yeah.
I don't even know if y'all can see that from there, but whatever. That's cool. I didn't expect it to just have two Tomahawks in there. It's crazy.
Yeah, these things have been pretty cool. They don't come with like a ton of stuff in them, but they come with some pretty quality stuff. Like the last one was that first aid kit. It had some pretty good stuff in it. So yeah, that's all we got. 2 Tomahawks.
All right, guys. Well, we appreciate y'all watching, and stay tuned for any other upcoming reviews. Might do a review on these Tomahawks.
Yeah.
Peace out.
Peace.
And some zip ties.
What?
Infected with the coronavirus.
Yes, I'm sure putting it in their mouth is helping so much. You don't even know where this came from. They had the coronavirus on
my mouth, or just on my lips.
Alright, you want to do that in here?